6:19 p.m. We departed 10 minutes early and are about to turn onto runway 9 here at Barbados BGI Airport. Sunset was 11 minutes ago, and I'm aboard LIAT Flight 737, an ATR 72-600, with a 30-minute hop over to the brand new St. Vincent Argyle International Airport, which just opened 5 weeks ago. And I'm really excited because this will be my first time in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. It's been somewhere I've been wanting to visit for many years, and it's finally going to happen in about 30 minutes. And 6:20, takeoff. Here you can see the BGI terminal. There's one LIAT plane left on the ground. They do not have jetways here, which really surprised me. Caribbean Airlines, Propeller plane taxiing in. The two wide bodies, British Airways and Virgin Atlantic, a 777 and a 747 just departed about 20 minutes ago for London. And we've taken off to the east, and St. Vincent is to the west, so of course we will be having to make a U-turn here. Coast here, southeast coast of Barbados. It was last year, maybe in 2009, 2011, on a cruise with my good friend Mike. Unfortunately, we'll be landing at St. Vincent in the darkness. But off we go.